let's calculate the atom economy for the reaction shown on screen. Couple of notes before we get started. We're not going to include the catalyst in this. We're not going to include methanol as a solvent, although obviously to need a solvent or not need a solvent is going to affect the greenness of a reaction. And then a reminder of what atom economy is telling us. It's telling us how much of our individual reactants ends up in our desired product, in this case, propylene oxide. So even though we're creating water as a byproduct in this reaction, and water is non-toxic, environmentally safe, it's still considered waste for the purposes of the atom economy calculation. And so I've shown here the molecular formulas of each of the things that are involved and the atomic masses of those. And what we notice is we start with 42 plus 34 atomic mass units. And how much of that ends up in the final product? Only 58 atomic mass units. So we can take 58 divided by 42 plus 34, multiply that times 100 to turn it into a percentage, and we end up with a value that is 76.3% for our atom economy. So again, we've taken the atomic mass of the desired product and divided that by the atomic mass of the reagents, the reactants, that went in to making it. Multiply that by 100 to end up with a percentage.